So just about to go get a pair of AirPod 2.0s, and the question that I'm going to answer today, the only thing I really care about today is, are they any good to work out with? So I gotta go to the mall, pick them up, come back, get Monty, go to the gym, and then get my sweat on. Frickin' snow. So I, like most people, are relatively disappointed with the feature set, we'll say, of the AirPods 2.0. But with that being said, they did beef up the most important parts of that product, which is better sound, as well as improved battery. And at the end of the day, from Apple's perspective, that's really all you need to do, is to ensure that people are still constantly using your products to consume, well, all their new services, because, you know, Apple TV Plus is going to be changing. They're using paper bags now? Is that new? So here they are. The image is kind of embossed, I think is the word, which is kind of neat. They don't say 2.0, so the only way you know that these are the newer AirPods is that they come with the wireless charging case. With the original ones, I think you had to buy the wireless charging case separately. So these are the original ones. I was driving back and reminded myself that I needed to mark the original ones, because I don't think these products are going to be that different. And the only reason why I'm marking them was because of what Dwight said to Michael in the office when he was practicing labor with that watermelon, was mark it in an indiscriminate way that only you know, so that no baby snatcher can take your baby. So, software update. Oh, frick. 24 frickin' minutes. Look, identical. Woo! So cool. And that's it. None of this waiting for Bluetooth crap. So awesome. The H1 chip or W1 chip just beats out any other thing. So awesome. Ready to get our gym on, Bubby? So one of the things I've learned, being mildly older, it takes a long time for me to actually get ready for a workout. Apparently my joints need lubricating. So after all that, the AirPods 2.0 only fell out of my ear once, which is surprising given that when I did the AirPod 1,
a workout for this AirPod chip fell out 4 times. Now, the only time it fell out was actually during the skipping, so the up and downs really jostled these headphones out of my ear. Everything else, the burpees, the running, the bar muscle ups, the handstand push-ups, I didn't really have an issue with it, though I was always worried about them falling out. So when it comes to running, they generally, once they got loose in my ears and they just kind of hung rather than, you know, sitting in my ear canal, we'll say, I was worried that they might fall out, but they didn't. So in that instance, I would be comfortable wearing these while running. But if I was to do anything a little more highly functional, like all those gymnastic movements, yeah, I probably wouldn't use the AirPod 2.0s for that. Now, I'm currently reviewing the Jabra XTs, Run XTs. I've done the Jabra Elite Active 65T. So if you're looking for an alternative, the Jabra ones do very, very well. I did the exact same workout with the Jabra ones, and I didn't even know that I had headphones halfway through the workout because I was just focused on moving well, moving efficiently. So yeah, depending on how well these products perform, I might do a few more videos on them, but generally, again, Apple didn't release these with a lot of fanfare, and they are literally the same product in my mind. So, first time watching one of my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. I'll be doing a bunch more workout headphone reviews in the next while, as well as some other regular iPhone case stuff. So, click subscribe. I can't tell him to go because he's tied up to the rig right now. So, I just have to give him a pet.